Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the new Podsplice AI video editor. And I think it's pretty cool because it's actually a full timeline editor now, like you see in all the multi-track professional grade video editing software. This is a very simple way to do this though. So before you could record reaction videos on Podsplice and screen recording, but you couldn't edit it. Now you could download it after you recorded it, but this little editor is going to, save you a lot of time if you want to make a quick video and immediately publish to YouTube just to get your channel rolling. So I'm just going to go through the features, but it's pretty self-explanatory if you've ever tried a timeline editor before. But let's just go over it. So on the top, you'll see the preview, the length of the video. In the background, you'll see the actual screen where we recorded. Here you'll see a thumbnail of your webcam. And then below you'll see all of the different tracks on your timeline. So let's just have a look here. So the first one is the screen recording. The second one is your microphone. And the third one is the system audio. And then the last one is the actual webcam. And if you want to download any of the tracks, you can do them individually too here, and then you can, edit them later on your favorite editing software, and you'll get all the different tracks, so you can export them and then import them wherever you want later. But now you can even edit directly in Podsplice, and I'll show you what you might want to do. So below you're going to see all the different tracks. So I did a quick test recording and I watched Google Gemini video, and I reacted to it essentially. So I talked a little bit and then I watched it, and then you can even hear the system audio or the Google video on YouTube being played, and that's what this track is recording. And most screen recording software can't do the system audio. So this is great for reaction videos and not just regular screen recording. So, but it's very easy too. So what you can also do, which I think is good, is you can press this little eyeball button, and then it'll remove your webcam if you want. So you can make faceless videos as well. And then when you're done, you can put it back if you want it on. You can also just go up and save and export when you're ready to go. But usually when you're doing a screen recording, you might be babbling for a bit, but you're not quite ready and you want to do a couple simple cuts. So now you can also do that. So I'll show you how to do that. You just click over here. You can see where I started talking. Oh, I don't want to cut that. So I want to cut right up to there, right up to where I started talking. So if I want to cut that, I'll just click cut the selection right there, and I'll do that now. So as you can see, it cut the audio, and it takes a little bit of time to repopulate all the tracks for the timeline. But when you're ready to do that, now if you're done your editing, if that's all the cutting you wanted to do, you simply go to save and export, and then wait for your video to be produced. So it's a very easy way to make and edit videos now. And of course, if you want to do more editing later, depending on your needs, you can just export it directly. But you can also export the full video and then still bring it into an editor later. But that's the whole idea. That's the new timeline editor. And you can try it out at podsplice.com. And we're going to be adding a bunch of new features. So stick with us and let us know what you think if you test out the software.